My name's Eva. That's me. It's 1944. The Nazis have conquered most of Europe, and they do terrible things to us Jews. But they haven't conquered us. And the Russians will save us. And I'm about to turn 13. Finally. That's my mama. Mwah! She looks like a painting. I live with my grandparents. Yawn. Can you believe it? Sometimes it gets super boring. One day, I'll live in Budapest with my mama. There's Marta, my little cousin. How gorgeous is she? That's Annie. She's my BFF. And is just like Josephine Baker. My grandpa got me this record. Do you like this song? It's my favorite. One day, I'll be a famous reporter. But for now, I'm here. Welcome to my life. My name is Eva. We are surrounded by war, but I'm always seeing the sun.
Martha, the police are at your house. You must go now. Come. You must go with him. Go with this young man, yes? Come. Come, you must go. Come.
Grandma?
I don't think we will see sweet Martha for some time. Martha and her parents were taken to Poland.
And what happens in Poland?
Es lebe die nationalsozialistische Bewegung! Es lebe Deutschland!
Thank you, Grandma.
And your mother sent you something very special for your birthday.
Now you make a wish.
I can't sleep. I can't stop thinking about Marta. She left her bike here. When I told Grandma, she said she left to Poland without anything. They wouldn't even let her take a suitcase. But I can't stop asking myself, what will Marta do in Poland without even a suitcase?
Vite apaisée et se console d'un baiser du cœur, on guérit la blessure.
This is Annie interviewing Miss Eva Heyman. This is my grandpa's pharmacy. My grandpa is the president of all the pharmacists. Look at all the beautiful things we have.
Miss Heyman, why don't you introduce yourself to the audience?
My name is Eva Heyman, and when I'm 24, I want to be a famous news photographer living in England.
I think I know what you really want.
Tell me what I want.
You want a love potion to make Peter fall in love with you.
Honey!
I love you girls. Girls are so sweet, but please, get out of here.
Bye, Grandpa.
Bye.
Sorry. Oh, Pista, I feel the love potion kicking in as we speak.
Dirty Jew.
Let's go. I'm going to kill her.
Crazy, he'll see you.
The love potion worked! Pista's gonna love it.
Sir,
It's okay.
you have to go home. You have to go home right now. Immediately. Immediately.
Do these lovely girls belong to you?
Yes, my granddaughters.
Nice. And this pharmacy, it belongs to you too.
Yes, this is my pharmacy.
Your pharmacy. I assume you have not heard about the new unfortunate order.
What order?
Jews can no longer own businesses. So the government is taking this pharmacy off your hands.
But I don't understand.
Well, that's why I'm here, to assist you. So what you need to do is take these two lovely girls, take your hat, your coat, and go home. I must tell you the truth. I thought that by now the Jewish people would be more experienced with such things. But you look genuinely confused.
Get them out!
It's weird. Because actually I've been in war for 3 years or so now, but I kind of became used to it. But lately, so many bad things have happened. I've never felt so nervous. There is one good thing that happened. My mama and stepdad decided to move back home with us. Mama! Hello! Mama! Mama, you're back! Mama! Look who's here!
Here's the leading lady.
Finally! Uncle Bella!
Nice to see you.
I want to hug my mama. Let me hug her.
So well, both of you.
So how about a drink, huh?
It's from the table.
It's time for you to be my family. This is my mom, Aggie. And yes, I know she's beautiful. Whenever someone calls me pretty, Grandpa always says, you should see her mom. But Grandma says I'll be even prettier because I do lots of athletics, like swimming, skating, and bike riding. Aggie's charm is even greater than her beauty. And Grandpa says he can always count on her to solve things because men control the world and Aggie can control men. This is my real papa. He's just as handsome as an Aryan. One day, when they get older, I'll marry an Aryan Englishman. He's always chasing women, and I know they want to marry him because he's good looking and has money. His girlfriends bribe me. They call me pretty and get me gifts. How ridiculous! And here's my stepdad, Bella. My father and mother divorced when I was 4 years old. Bella is a celebrity.
I'm away!
Bella! He writes books, and he's in the newspaper and everything. So smart that the fascists in my country put him in prison. But Mama Aggie was able to release him. My governor says even Hitler himself can stop Mama from saving Bella.
Rubbish.
And you're all right. Wonderful cigar. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a long time since I had such a nice time. Now tell me. Honestly, what do you think?
I'm sorry, I'm the bearer of bad news. You know the Russians are near, 200 kilometers away.
Yeah, but this is good for us.
If Hitler does not decide to conquer us.
Why should he do that? The war is almost over.
If he is worried that we are switching sides, and I know that that is what's happening, Hitler can conquer us like that if he wants to. And my feeling is that he will be here. Well, we must pray that the Russians come before then.
Come here.
You have to listen to me carefully. I know some of you have brothers and sisters. You should pick them and go directly home. The school is over.
We have to go! Come on! Come on, Eva!
It's the middle of the night. I can't fall asleep. The Germans have reached my city. I've never been so scared in my entire life. From today, I must document everything that happens to us. Even if I'm tired or I want to play, I must document.
On your favorite one? Yes. Oh. Let me, how does it fit? There.
No. No, I'm not wearing it.
Well, we all wearing them.
I'm not wearing it.
Honey.
This is not me. I've been wearing jackets for 13 years. I've never looked like this.
No, Baba. I know, Baba.
This is not Hitler. This is you. Stop! I hate you. Stop! Why would you do this to my favorite one? You've ruined it. I'm not wearing it. It's ugly. Get away.
Annie will be wearing it.
It's okay. Okay, you know what? Stop. You know what? I'm gonna put it down, okay?
Annie will be wearing one.
No, what
yes,
the
she
hell?
will.
Everyone at school's going to laugh at me.
They will be wearing them
Make
too.
me stand out.
My darling.
Go away.
Come sit down, my love. Come sit
No.
down.
Okay, just listen to me. Listen.
I don't have to do anything. I'm not wearing it.
Okay, you don't.
I'm not going out like that. How does everyone even know I'm a Jew? They won't hurt me because they don't know.
I know, Baba. This is the law.
I don't care about the law.
I know, honey.
You
See? Just...
If you do
Oh,
not,
get it away from me.
please, do not wear it, you will be in danger.
I don't care. Let me be in danger.
No, we can't let
It's
you be
ugly. I'm not wearing it. It's not me.
We all have to
Maybe
wear
late.
it.
Why would you do this?
Maybe late.
Pista.
I got this for you.
Thank you. Do you think we are forever?
Eve.
Vorsicht, Leute, hier kommt die nächste Ladung. Ungarischer Schlussverkauf. Was ist das? Was ist das?
I love you, honey.
Was auf mit dir? Was ist das denn? Was ist das?
Are you having second thoughts, Eva?
No, Mama. It's okay.
You can tell me, Eva.
It's the right thing to do.
Yes. After what happened with Annie and Marta, I think that's what we need to do.
Come here, Mama. I want to stay in this moment forever.
What are you doing here? Mrs. Jacobi will hide Eva.
I knew it. I knew it. No! Absolutely not! Out! Get out! Gone! Out! Out! Out, I say now! Oh.
This was Eva's chance.
I don't trust her. This evil woman. She will sell Eva to a man!
But Grandma...
She's evil!
Grandma, who would buy a Jewish girl these days?
Okay, that's it.
Stop! Again! Don't you think I know what you are doing, my daughter? Ever since you arrived, all these meetings with your friends, I know that you and Bella are looking to escape.
You know that the Germans are looking for Bella more than anyone.
And when the Nazis finally arrive here, my daughter, and they find that Mr. Bella is missing, who will they kill then? Us! Us! Father, your mother, and your daughter! We promised we would stay together! It's the only way that we can make it!
We need this.
I know, but they will not allow for it. If we bring all this stuff, we will draw attention.
I know what I'm doing.
They will draw attention to ourselves, and we don't want to be exposed about who we really are. Listen, I'm sorry, Aggie, we cannot take this with us!
Just let me
No,
do
you
that!
must listen to me!
No.
No, you are crazy! Come on, we are not going on a vacation, we are going to the ghetto! Understand? This is too much.
Deserve this. We are going to be taken like sheep to the slaughterhouse.
Wie dauert denn das los? Raus mit euch!
Come on! Moving it out! Hey, you! What is it? Take him off! Take him off! Don't shoot that! Take him off! Right now! Go look at him!
Welcome in the ghetto. So, jetzt mal raus hier. Warum The mattress. Take the mattress. Here. Ava! Where have you been 3 days? Take it!
Eva.
This girl dances even in the ghetto.
I've been here longer than you. What else am I meant to do here?
Achtung! Jew! There'll be no dancing in the ghetto. If you dance, I die. There'll be no food. If you bring food from outside, I die. There'll be no electricity at night. If we see even a bit of light, I die. And if you don't obey my orders, we die.
Ihr faulen Judenschweine!
Do you know where refugees are? In Austria, in Holland, and France, and Czechoslovakia. If you don't know, I will tell you now. They are in Poland.
You're going to be here before we will be sent to Poland.
You are deluding yourself. You really think that after what the Germans have done here, to the wind, to everything, that they are going to leave even one eyewitness alive? I'm a very old man, but I do not bury my head in the sand like you.
Silence can be louder than any noise in the world. I never knew that before. Everybody has a job here. Besides me and Annie. Grandma cleans. Mama Aggie and Grandpa work at the pharmacy. Bishta is a labor worker. Uncle Beller is in the ghetto hospital. Mama set it up for him. I imagine my papa also works, but I haven't seen him since we got to the ghetto. And they all go and come back. And I sit there in the silence. I so much want to live. God, it's true, isn't it? That it's only by accident that you weren't paying attention when they killed Martha. But now you're watching over us.
Well, this is the face of a Jew who didn't give us a goat. You, come here.
Please take me. Please sit down.
No!
Shut up! No! You must give us the gold! You all must give us the gold! Is it clear? Scheiße. Take her away.
Oh! Before they take our lives, they want to take everything else with them. Go.
Eva, you won't believe what I found.
No! What have you done? We didn't know, Mama.
We found it.
I was saving this for the whole family. Mama, we didn't know.
Don't like me. You stupid girls.
Do you hear that, Pishta? It's our good old friend.
The ice cream man.
We really are forever.
They are starting to deport people from Block 1 tonight. Tomorrow, it will be us. They are pushing 80 people into each cart. And they give us 1 bucket of water. And they bolt the doors. The trip takes several days. Several days with no food, no water, no air. just standing. We will miss this wretched ghetto.
I don't believe in anything anymore. All I know is that I want to live. I want to live, even if it means I'll be the only person allowed to stay. I'll wait until the end of the war, in a small cellar, or a roof, or in some secret cranny. Just as long as they don't kill me. Only that they shall let me live.
Verdammt nochmal, mach die Tür zu!
Parlez-moi d'amour, redites-moi des choses tendres. Vagabondis, mon cœur n'est pas là de l'entendre. Pourvu que toujours vous répétiez ces mots suprêmes. Je vous aime.
Annie, do you think people will remember us?
Yes, Ava. Your journal. Everyone will remember us.